Hi guys, this is the first video I'm filming after a bit of a hiatus, but I wanted to do a mini haul before I forgot what I bought, so here we go. Yeah, I haven't been doing so well. I'm doing okay now. I was in the hospital for a week, and I don't really want to go into it too much, but the stress and exhaustion caused me to literally pass out. I did want to mention this, that there is such a thing as a pseudo seizure, which is not epileptic. It doesn't rewire your brain. It's like anxiety and stress induced seizure activity. So you kind of look like you're having an epileptic seizure, but you're not, but you still are having a pseudo seizure. Do not recommend. Trying to make light of it now because I'm coping. I've had a lot of opportunities to use my coping skills, let's just say that. So, mini haul. I haven't bought much makeup in April and May. I was in the hospital for a week in May. The April was when all of my job stuff got super stressful. Like, that doesn't even begin to describe it. And other things in my life were falling apart as well. So I needed help, and I got it. But I kind of lost the interest in getting more makeup. Some of it I got in April when things were going badly. I think since then I've either gotten stuff with credits or earrings, because as extensive as my earring collection is, we'll see if the cat makes a sound here. I kind of stopped buying so much. Like, I just didn't plan it as a no-buy or anything, but I did decide, as my interest in it is coming back, because I don't think it's gonna go, hold on, don't you even start. So let me just do a quick little wrap up, okay? This is on my face. I got this in a haul that I haven't posted yet at the time of filming, and it's a perfect match for me. Everything's gonna be below. I don't know it real well, but it's a CoverGirl, like, age-defying situation. With SPF 10, which isn't great, but it's something. I have an M Cosmetics, like, lip stain or something, or I don't know, it's purple and it smells like grapes, and I got it from a friend and I love it. I have on a Vivid Rich brown eyeliner thingy in my waterline. And then my blush and my mascara are new things. So let me show you those. The mascara is brown. It's dark brown, but it's an Essence Lash Princess one. No, I had one of these before in black that I didn't like so much. I liked it, but I didn't love it. If this holds the curl, this is a big deal. Like, this is really nice. It's amazing what makeup can, like, do for you, because I definitely don't feel as put together as I feel like I look right now. I'm happy with it. All right, back to the mascara. So this is my first use of it. I actually bought it to use in my brows. I've been using mascara in my brows, usually a clear one, but I had one dark brown one that was too dark, but this does not look bad. It's technically black brown. I thought I bought the brown one, not black brown, but it's working. And I like it on my lashes as well. So Win here, again, I'll put what it is below. The same place I got the foundation. It was actually a yard sale, okay? It was a yard sale haul, and it was amazing, and I'll go into that later. There were a few of this type of NYX gloss. It's a This Is Milky gloss. It's very thick. There was a really pretty orange one and like a peachy one that I just happened to try, and I saw they had a green one and I had to try it. It doesn't come out green, but oh my goodness. Yeah, it smells like mint chocolate chip, and that's the name of it. Mint chocolate chip. It smells so good. I want to eat it. I'm not going to, but I want to eat it. It's so good. All right, I didn't have that on my face, but I do have this on my face. I finally tried one of the e.l.f. Camo blushes. I don't know why. I have 6 Rare Beauty blushes that are like super nice, but this was entirely paid for with credits and it's purple. However, it blends out pink, but it almost blends out warm pink. How does that happen from a purple blush? It needed a bit more layers than, like, I'm just comparing it to the Rare Beauty blush. This one. This isn't the same color, but these are nicer. They're more expensive. I mean, sometimes you get what you pay for, other times you don't. I would try others of these though. I don't think I'm gonna run out and buy them like without credits, but I liked it. Alright, and then speaking of blush, I got another one of the Buttermelt blushes. I saw a swatch video of these and I just really loved this like baby pink. I didn't think I had one. I probably do. I have a lot of blush. These smell like fruit punch or something, and I always think it smells differently, but I just, oh, it's nice. You're either gonna hate it or love it, I think, but I did get one of these. I have the purple one of these as well, and kind of a dark one. So I got the lightest color, I think this is. Oh no, it's the second one in the line, so there might be one lightest. I got this eye pencil. I needed like a light blue in the waterline. I have this one blue eyeliner, like gel liner, that just doesn't show up in the waterline, so I got this Wet n Wild light blue. Doesn't really show up in the waterline either. It'll be fine for like under eyeliner or if I'm really feeling ambitious regular eyeliner, but not gonna purchase that again. And with the help of credits, I did get one eyeshadow. It's only 10 shades, and ignore the markings here and on it. That has to do with my All the Things project. Shameless plug, go check out that playlist. I think I invented a makeup challenge. I had one of these in like a sunsetty gradient. Look at how pretty this is. It's like cool tones and just gorgeous. I'm about to swatch it today, so that'll be coming out. I have markings on it because I couldn't not use it. I was excited about it. These are so good, and they're drugstore. They're like extremely affordable, so definitely recommend the 10 shade e.l.f. eyeshadow palettes. And then the rest were earrings. Some expected, some unexpected. First of all, oh, I forgot about Bob Ross. Somebody made, and I'll link them below, Bob Ross Lego earrings. I am not even kidding. Are these the cutest things you've ever seen? If this wasn't floral, I was gonna wear them today. These are like decorating my room, but I have this, like, it kind of accidentally happened where I have this thing with like Bob Ross stuff. He was a wildlife rehabilitator, like I was much later, obviously. But I watched him growing up and his painting, and like, oh gosh. So these might be my new absolute favorite earrings. However, I was gifted one. My friends knows my taste. Look at these. Ah, it's my cat with a heart. It's so cute. Look at their faces. They're like staring into your soul. I adore these, and oh my gosh, they're so stinking cute. Other than that, so I obviously have a lot of earrings. I have a short that will be out or coming out soon about it, and I have a video about the earring wall behind me. I've been starting to need like earrings that are 2 different colors or gradient of color. I don't know if you can see them. I got like these daisy chain earrings that were really, really cute, but they came in multiple colors as well. So I got a yellow to orange one. It'll go with any of these colors, or if it's like the yellow that I'm wearing is not quite one of these colors, it'll go with it anyway. So I'm really gonna use this, I think. And then just today, I got finally my pink gradient ones came in. Now, I have some gradient earrings, but it never fails that like when I'm looking for a very specific color or a gradient of color, I can never find it. So yeah. Yesterday my makeup was kind of a beachy theme. I don't even know if I took pictures of it, to be honest, but I finally got, these have been on my list for a while. I finally got these starfish earrings. Tell me that little orange thing is not the cutest thing ever too. They're big, but I needed these yesterday and I didn't have them, so now I have them. And then the last ones, I've had the hardest time finding royal purple. Purple is my favorite, and I really, really favor that like very bluey, bright royal purple color. And when I try to order that, that usually comes in as like a slightly warm color or like a little bit shifty. It's not quite the bright royal purple that I envisioned. I found it. I finally found it. These little yarny balls are finally the right color. Now the problem is they're probably not going to show up on camera as perfect as they are. They look a little warm there, but let me see if I can compare them to a warm purple. So this is what I would consider like a ready purple. And these, even though they aren't as blue on camera, these are more of a royal purple. I want my rose petal earrings in that color. These here that make the cool sound, the only color they don't have is a royal purple. And I mean, they would look so pretty. It's like an iridescent, like, oh, please make them, please make them. I would buy like 3 pairs, I'm not even kidding. So thanks for watching this little mini haul. We'll get back on here when we can. We're still interested in it. It's just hard to keep up the schedule we had. We're still gonna try to post the same content on the days that we were posting. We just might miss some days. So I don't know what's gonna happen, but obviously health and mental health have to come first. So yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I'm gonna go quiet my cat down. We'll see you in the next one. Bye. Can I do this today? I just have one more thing. You don't have to talk, good boy. He's been asleep all day and he woke up for this, but click in your face, Black. You better stop. I haven't even done this for weeks, but you remember. Go away. Didn't have that. You want to go through the door? You're so demanding. Go ahead. He wanted me to open the door. Come here. You gotta make an appearance. This is the love of my life, but the bane of my filming existence. Oh, but I love him so much. He's 16 now. He's very smart. Too smart. But this is, I had one of these in like a sunsetty, seriously, everybody's gonna interrupt me.